it back.
Oh, essa é grande, viu? É a sucuri.
Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where human footprints fade into the lush wilderness, echoes of the unknown ripple through the trees. Tales of mythical creatures, lost civilizations, and baffling mysteries linger like whispers of forgotten lore. Imagine a walking tree defying gravity, or the eerie sight of a majestic whale inexplicably stranded in the dense jungle.
Essa é a baleia que encalhou aqui em Suri.
These mysterious recordings defy logic, stirring curiosity and igniting our desire to venture into the unknown. Join us as we journey into the uncharted, confront mythical wonders, and uncover 10 mysterious recordings from the Amazon that remain unexplained. Number 1. Ancient Amazon reveals surprising history.
New research has revealed that the Amazon rainforest was once thought to be empty before Europeans arrived. Scientists have discovered evidence of millions of people living there, including defensive ditches, sunken roads, and flat land used for housing. They found pottery, shiny stone axes, and a special type of soil that indicated they had lived there for a long time. The study found that between 500,000 and 1 million people lived in the southern part of the Amazon during that time. However, Europeans brought diseases that killed many people, leading to a decrease in farming and people living on the road. Despite being from different cultures, these people lived together in the southern Amazon. The researchers found different types of buildings and artifacts in each location, and more are likely to be found. The model shows that earthworks could cover 400,000 taller hours, which is more than 1,300 sites, but only around 40% of them have been found so far.
Number 2. Whale in the middle of the jungle.
Biologists discovered a 26-foot-long humpback whale on an island near the Amazon River in Brazil, a surprise given that these whales typically live in Antarctica's cold waters. They noticed vultures flying over a tall mangrove tree on the island and discovered the whale's dead body stuck in thick vegetation about 50 feet from the shore. The whale had died of natural causes a few days before, according to the government. The discovery perplexed the biologists, despite the fact that tens of thousands of humpback whales are present in the Atlantic Ocean, close to Brazil, and migrate south to Antarctica for food. Despite the difficulty due to the whale's size and remote location, they carefully examined the whale during low tide and took samples from its body. Scientists investigated various theories about the whale's death, but couldn't find any solid evidence. Despite the difficulty, the biologists remained determined to find answers and explore nature's secrets. The discovery of the unusual whale in such an unusual location sparked their interest in learning more about nature.
Number 3. The Boiling River.
The Shannon Tampico, a 9-kilometer-long river in Peru, is known for its boiling water, which is dangerous to any animal that falls into it. The river's origins can be traced back to 2011, when people began investigating its existence. The river starts as a cold stream, gets warmer over time, and cools down at night. The bottom part is the hottest, and small animals that fall in and are boiled alive are killed by the extreme heat. Initially, 3 theories were proposed to explain the boiling river: a volcano, hot water coming from the ground, or an oil field accident. However, research has shown that the boiling river is not the result of a volcano, but rather a fast-moving natural feature. Another theory is that the heat comes from the geothermal gradient on Earth, as the water below is hotter than the surface water. As rain moves through the Earth's crust, the water seeps into the ground in the Amazon rainforest, and hot springs bring the water back to the top. The jungles around the boiling river are important for geological, cultural, and biological reasons, and they need to be protected, especially as trees are being cut down.
Number 4. The Lizard that Walks on Water.
Scientists have discovered the remarkable ability of Jesus lizards to walk on water, a phenomenon known as their ability to navigate through water. These reptiles, typically found in tall trees, can swiftly jump from their tree homes into the water and cross the surface, breaking the laws of physics. Researchers used a method of scattering tiny glass beads into the water, which can reflect light, to study the lizard's movements. They carefully analyzed each frame of the video, observing the reptilian walker's movements and calculating the forces behind their movements. Despite their efforts, no one has been able to fully understand how these lizards can cross water, leaving scientists to wonder if they are the only ones who know their secret, along with the supernatural forces that govern the world. The discovery highlights the incredible abilities of these creatures and their potential for a new understanding of the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Number 5. Giant anaconda.
Medusa, also known as the largest snake in the world, is a 25 feet, 2-inch long green anaconda found in Kansas City, Missouri. This reptile is the largest, heaviest, and longest snake endemic to South America and the Amazon jungle. The biodiversity of the Amazon River and the lore surrounding the green anaconda captivated Alex, an adventurous diver. He recorded a fantastic encounter with the largest anaconda he had ever seen while descending farther down the river. As the water calmed down, visibility increased, and Alex was astounded by the vibrant marine life swimming beneath the water's surface. As he became more aware of a huge shadow gliding through the water, his excitement increased. It was clear that it was a green anaconda, with its muscular body easily twisted and turned. Alex kept his camera steady and watched the snake's every motion, capturing its beauty and size. The anaconda continued swimming casually through the river, seemingly unaffected by Alex's presence. Few people get the chance to see such a unique phenomenon up close, making Alex's experience truly remarkable.
Number 6. Silk-hinged spider of the Amazon forest.
In 2003, a student named Troy Alexander discovered a strange web tower called Silk Hinge in the rainforest. The web tower went viral online, and scientists and bug experts decided to investigate. They found over 45 spider-built structures along the trail and were shocked to find that each structure had only one egg. The team was unsure of the spider babies in some of the structures, as spiders usually take care of their eggs. The fence around the buildings kept ants away, as they were stuck in the silk strands and couldn't access the food inside the central tower. The spider structures were found in successional forests, which have many trees and bamboo. It's interesting that they saw a structure like this in Ecuador, suggesting spiders like living there. The team also learned that the spiders were able to survive in these forests, as they were able to survive in the distance.
Number 7. Strange creature seen on the beach.
A white creature emerged from the water and washed up on a beach near the Amazon forest, causing shock and fascination. The creature was recorded on video and shared online, causing debates and theories. Some people believed it looked like a mysterious creature from another world or a new marine species. The discovery made headlines worldwide, leading to scientists and researchers attempting to understand its unique features. Many questions about its origin and purpose remain unanswered. Biologists and marine experts, using their deep knowledge of the Amazon forest ecosystem, carefully examined the video footage to determine its true nature. Early observations suggested that it might be a new species, a beautiful creature rising from the ocean floor, or a known species that had just appeared in a way that had never been seen before. The video has sparked interest and curiosity worldwide, as scientists and researchers continue to explore the mystery surrounding this mysterious creature.
Number 8. Rare jaguarundi cub.
A rare white baby jaguar was saved and taken to a conservation park for care, marking the first of its kind found in the country. The rescue was a joint effort between the police and local fire department, even though the area was 4 hours from the nearest city. The baby, named Randy Baby, has striking red eyes due to a lack of pigment, making it look like a kitten. Despite its beauty, Its coloring makes it difficult to survive in the wild and hide from predators. The Conservation Park of Medicine-en-Cerise, these albino jaguar babies have a safe place to live for a long time. Jaguar, America is home to Grundy's wildcats, which are about twice as big as house cats due to their thin bodies, narrow heads, and small, round ears. The Baby Jaguar Fund is dedicated to saving these animals' homes and keeping them safe. The video from the park has moved people worldwide, showcasing the work of environmentalists and the beauty of nature. The Baby Jaguar Fund's growth in Midland Conservation Park highlights the importance of protecting wildlife and the need to work together to make the future better for everyone, including animals.
Number 9. Sahara dust sustains Amazon's greenery.
There is a connection between the Amazon forest and the Sahara Desert, as the Amazon forest receives crucial nutrients from the Sahara Desert through wind-carried dust. The dusty particles, filled with nutrients like phosphorus, travel across the Atlantic Ocean and end up in South America, where they are crucial for plant growth and the Amazon forest's health. NASA's Cloud Aerosol Lighter and Infrared Pathfinder satellite observations have allowed scientists to determine the amount of dust carried annually from the Sahara Desert. The dust contains nutrients, particularly phosphorus, which plants typically obtain from broken down organic matter. When rains wash away nutrients like phosphorus into rivers and streams, the phosphorus from Saharan dust helps compensate for the loss. Scientists estimate that 27.7 million tons of dust settled over the basin after calculating the amount of dust that entered the Amazon forest. The rest of the dust moves, with 43 million tons ending up over the Caribbean Sea. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. A brave group of explorers found something truly amazing in the middle of the thick Amazon rainforest that sent chills down their spines. They found a strange animal hidden in the thick plants. It had smooth, jet-black fur, long, flexible arms, and a thin tail that didn't fit any of their expectations. It stood in front of them like a mysterious puzzle. Its deep-seeing eyes seemed to look right into their souls, which made them wonder where it came from and what it was for. Their minds were buzzing with ideas. Could this creature be a single survivor from a long ago time that has been hidden from people for hundreds of years? Or maybe it happened because of strange changes in genes caused by the mysterious forces of evolution? What do you think its real nature might be? Please share your thoughts in the comments.
Number 10. Deadly beauty.
The poison dart frog, a small, beautiful creature, is known for its strong poison on its skin, which can kill or paralyze an adult person with just 2.5 Z. The frog's bright colors, such as red, orange, or green, make it stand out in its environment and warn animals to stay away. The poison dart frog doesn't make its own poison, but instead eats highly poisonous ants, turning the ants' poison into a stronger mix. Native American groups, like the Chaco people in Colombia, have known for centuries that frog venom is dangerous and have used it as a natural weapon to win hunts. The frog's common name comes from this tradition, honoring its link to hunting and survival. During the day, these poisonous frogs are active in their habitats, looking for shelter under rocks covered in moss or near the sound of running water. However, they can sometimes go up into trees, surprising people with their presence in the treetop canopy.